You are staring at a $5 sandwich stuck inside a vending machine, feeling completely hopeless. Suddenly, your phone buzzes with a notification showing a $35 overdraft fee from your bank. You just spent $40 for a lunch you never even got to eat. Welcome to the modern financial system, designed precisely to extract money from those who have none. Consider the classic economic reality known as the poor tax. When you are broke, you buy $20 boots that fall apart every 6 months. Over 5 years, you spend $200 replacing cheap shoes while staying continuously uncomfortable. A wealthy person buys one $300 pair that lasts a decade and saves money in the long run. The exact same punishing logic applies to your monthly car insurance premiums. Because you cannot afford the annual upfront payment, you are forced to pay monthly installment surcharges. Poverty is inherently expensive because every commercial system penalizes those without a liquidity buffer. It is time to break this invisible cycle before it drains your entire financial future. You visit your senior coworker who earns double your annual salary. His living room is filled with shiny new gadgets and modern luxury furniture. Outside sits a brand new luxury vehicle with a zero-down lease agreement. Yet he appears visibly exhausted while pouring coffee into 2 mugs. He quietly confides that he is living paycheck to paycheck under 4 different credit card debts. High income without intentional financial control only creates high-status poverty. You realize that most high-end consumer goods are merely liabilities disguised as success. Returning home, you decide to adopt a ruthless framework called the minimalist wealth rule. You stop looking at the retail price tag when evaluating any potential purchase. Instead, you train yourself to calculate the precise cost per use. A $250 quality boot worn 500 times costs 50 cents per wear. A $30 fast fashion shirt worn twice before shrinking costs $15 per wear. You eliminate the false economy of buying cheap disposable goods to satisfy temporary vanity. You systematically audit every recurring micro-expense in your daily routine. Unnecessary subscriptions and high-interest store cards are canceled immediately. Frugality is not self-deprivation. It is an intentional strategy to accumulate real power. You replace expensive coffee shop visits with brewed coffee from home. Every saved dollar is redirected immediately toward your initial financial fortress. You secure your very first $1,000 emergency liquid fund. Seeing that balance gives you your first breath of true air in years. You now have a buffer against sudden, low-level emergencies. The vicious cycle of overdraft fees and panic borrowing is broken. You have moved from reactive survival to deliberate financial control. Your confidence grows not from what you own, but from what you no longer owe. Step 1 is complete. Your base protection is locked in. Now it is time to pivot from saving pennies to generating scalable cash flow. You ignore complex speculative investments and Wall Street promises you do not understand. You look around your physical reality for tangible, unexploited resources. You notice the assigned parking spot included in your lease sits completely empty all day. The neighboring commercial zone is perpetually crowded with commuting office workers. You recognize an unexploited physical asset that costs you $0 extra. You list the space on a local parking application for $150 monthly. An office worker rents it immediately, turning dead space into passive cash. That single action covers your monthly water and trash utility bills effortlessly. Next, you explore local classifieds for underpriced functional tools. You purchase a heavy-duty pressure washer for $50 in cash. This is not just a tool, it is a portable, high-margin cash generator. You offer driveway and sidewalk cleaning services to homeowners in your neighborhood. Physical labor paired with ownership of equipment yields immediate liquid income. In 3 hours on Saturday morning, you earn $120. You have successfully transitioned from selling pure labor to monetizing physical equipment. You buy a second-hand commercial lawnmower from a neighbor moving out. Your asset base expands without taking on any high-interest debt or financial leverage. Weekend by weekend, your side revenue streams build a steady secondary income stream. This money does not go to lifestyle inflation, it goes directly into wealth capital. Your monthly side income now reaches 25% of your primary job's salary. You have created a resilient micro-business completely under your own control. Financial freedom begins when your survival no longer depends on a single master. It is Monday morning inside the corporate office, and your manager is screaming. Everyone around you sits paralyzed in fear, terrified of losing their primary income. You sitting calmly in your seat feel zero panic or elevated stress response. Your heart rate remains entirely steady because you possess financial resilience. While the boss fumes, you are mentally evaluating a cheap lawnmower listing. You realize that losing this office job would not destroy your life. Your colleagues are trapped by heavy monthly auto loans and oversized credit balances. They are forced to endure toxic environments because they lack a financial cushion. You, however, have built the ultimate psychological shield. Fuck you money. You walk into a local secondhand store to inspect a commercial-grade pressure hose. You evaluate deals with the calm eyes of an independent business owner. Every smart acquisition increases your capacity to generate independent revenue. Your self-worth is no longer attached to corporate titles or executive approval. You are no longer vulnerable to economic threats or workplace intimidation. You watch your liquid savings grow consistently week after week. You sleep deeply without the haunting anxiety of unpaid debts. True wealth is not defined by luxury items, but by absolute emotional sovereignty. You walk toward your 2008 Honda Civic parked in the employee parking lot. The paint is faded, but the engine runs flawlessly, and the vehicle is fully paid off. Suddenly, a brand new lifted Ford pickup truck pulls into the adjacent spot. A young new intern steps out wearing a high-end watch and designer clothes. He looks down at your old sedan with a smirk of obvious condescension. He proudly boasts about his $800 monthly car payment over 7 years. You offer a polite, friendly smile without feeling the slightest need to explain yourself. He sees a cheap old car, but you see $10,000 of unencumbered freedom. Later at the gas station, he cringes as high-octane fuel drains his remaining cash. You glide smoothly down the avenue, consuming minimal fuel and paying zero debt interest. Your low fixed overhead guarantees that your personal burn rate stays incredibly low. You stop by a small local diner and purchase a simple black coffee for $2. No fancy syrups or overpriced branding, just clean, functional, hot coffee. You walk over to a quiet wooden bench overlooking the valley below. While others spend their lives running on a hedonic treadmill, you have stepped off. You have traded meaningless consumer flexes for absolute control over your calendar. You glance at your account ledger, confirming your financial stability and steady cash flow. Systemic consumer culture wants you broke, desperate, and dependent on monthly paychecks. But you saw through the illusion, mastered your cost structure, and built real assets. You do not need to look rich when you possess genuine economic independence. You have secured the single most luxurious asset known to modern society. That asset is the unconditional freedom to choose how you live every single day. You now own your time, your focus, and your ultimate long-term destiny. Stop funding the system that keeps you trapped. Start building your physical foundation today. Modern wealth is not about flashy showmanship. It is about absolute silent control. Take back command of your cash flow, your resources, and your daily lifestyle. The trap is fully exposed, and the victory is completely within your hands. You are no longer a victim of the game. You are now the master of your life. Step out of line today and claim the freedom that rightfully belongs to you.